Don't touch me.
Do you want to go get my car?
Do not touch me. We will do this.
Okay.
Because I will take you down.
On the morning of the 6th of January 2021, at the Liberty High School student drop-off and pickup area in Ocala, Florida, the Marion County Sheriff's Office arrested a suspect for driving under the influence of drugs. The incident was discovered when school staff saw the suspect slumped over the steering wheel and crashing into a traffic cone. Police quickly arrived at the scene to investigate. Upon arrival, they determined that the high blood alcohol level and emotional distress following a divorce led to the incident shown in the video.
Hey! What's going on?
Nothing. I'm waiting for the car.
Okay, but you ran over my cone.
No, I didn't.
Yes, ma'am, you did. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
Can I have it, please?
Zone 1 Marion Primary. Marion SO1.
Miss Rodriguez?
Yes.
Okay. This is a food stamp card.
I'm just trying to job on my kids.
Can you show me on a signal 54 here at Liberty Middle School, and if you have a zone unit sending, can you send them my way? Yeah. Put it in park. Good job.
Initial investigations by the police confirmed the suspect was Rodriguez. Instead of presenting a driver's license, the woman presented a food assistance card while completely disoriented. Rodriguez's behavior not only violated traffic laws, but also reflected a disregard for the safety of children and other road users, forcing authorities to take precautions to prevent potential risks.
Listen.
What's up, Miss Rodriguez?
I'm not trying to.
What's going on today? Talk to me. Something's wrong. What happened to your vehicle in the back? Talk to me. What's up?
Stop, please stop.
I'm not saying anything. Stop what? I need you to talk to me, babe. Clearly, we're not in a shape to drive a vehicle, correct? Correct, right? I can smell it on you, right?
Listen.
Okay.
I'm so sad.
Okay, so what's going on?
Me and my husband are getting divorced.
Okay.
My kids had to go to school. I have to take them. Just please let me go home.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
180 Marion, 1086.
Nothing.
But I need you to turn the car off.
1086.
No.
And we'll park it after what?
I will park my car.
Miss Rodriguez, I'm not debating with you.
There's nothing intoxicated about me.
Okay, do you want to do some sobriety test for me?
Go ahead.
Okay. Come stand back here at the back of your vehicle.
Okay.
Stand right back here.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you want?
I don't want you to fall
No,
over. I don't want you to fall over. Hey,
I'm
don't
not.
hit me.
I'm not. I'm not intoxicated.
Okay, then what's going on today?
I am having a hard time.
And I understand you're having a hard time, but having a hard time doesn't make sense right now, sweetheart, Miss Rodriguez.
Based on the on-site report, police officially confirmed that Rodriguez had consumed alcohol and attempted to justify her actions by using psychological manipulation, claiming she was in the process of divorcing in an attempt to gain leniency from the police. From a law enforcement perspective, Rodriguez's actions constituted a serious violation of public safety. Driving while intoxicated in a school area cannot be justified by any personal crisis. What do you think of the sentence for this behavior? Please leave your opinion in the comments.
Out of here.
No, don't. Remember, we're going to get in trouble. Do not.
I do not care.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Do you want to go get
Do
my
not
car?
touch me.
Do you want to go get my
Do
car?
not touch me.
Miss Rodriguez.
Do not touch me.
I thought we were talking to
Do
being
not
nice.
touch me.
And we'll-
Don't f***ing touch me.
Do you want to do this?
We will do this.
Okay.
Because I will f***ing take you down. Don't f***ing touch me.
Are we going to sit patiently and wait for my other unit? Or do you want to go?
Don't f***ing touch me. I was calm and collective as long as you told the truth. And now that
I'm asking you, what did I not tell you?
Now I know you're a f***ing liar.
About what?
Then
Talk
now
to me. Tell me, what did I lie about?
you
Please?
lied about the whole goddamn thing.
Tell me. In your
Yes,
words, what
I'm
did I lie
having a
about,
hard
bitch?
time.
Well, I
Don't
didn't
fuck
want
with
to tell the
me.
other deputy I had a hard time.
of me. God damn it, I'm telling you right now. Get your hand off of me. Get your hand off of me. Get your hand off of me.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
I will get out of the car and get your hand off of me.
Get out of the car. Come on.
Get your hand off of me.
Come on.
Fucking up right now. Get me out of these handcuffs, and you have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Don't spit.
Nope.
Do not spit. I'll tell you that right now.
I am spitting.
Hi.
100%.
How are you?
Get me.
Okay, listen, Miss Rodriguez. So my other deputy's here, Deputy Osborne.
Up.
Okay.
There's a lot of good choices.
Are you willing to stand up and try these sobriety exercises
There
for me?
has been a lot of good fucking choices that you didn't fucking give me, you stupid fucking.
All right, Ms. Rodriguez, the question is, do you want to do the field
Yes,
sobriety
I
test?
do.
Okay, before we get to that, do you want to have medics check you out, or are you still
No, I'm fine.
good? Okay. All right, we're going to stand you up to do the test.
God damn it, I don't need stuff to stand up. No,
Listen, you're in handcuffs. You're going to need help.
Listen,
Remember-
I can stand up on my goddamn fucking self.
Right now,
Get the fuck off of me.
if you work
Get
with
the
us,
fuck off of me. I can stand up on my goddamn self and show you I'm fucking perfectly fine, you stupid fucking bitch.
Ms. Rodriguez, the reason we don't want you to stand up by yourself is if you
stand
fall,
up.
we're liable because you're
You're not reliable for shit.
Turn away from me.
Don't
You're going to be all
touch
spitty
me.
and snotty. You can turn
That
away
will.
from me, okay?
listen. I can stand up by my goddamn self.
remember, we're on school grounds and your
I
kids
don't
are...
give
Do you remember what you
Do
told me
you
about
ca-
this school?
do you give a
do.
do you give a
Care about everything.
No, you don't.
Student in there, and
I
this is why
told you
I'm being
I was
nice to you
already
today.
fine,
Okay.
and you want to be a stupid ass bitch.
Okay. Are you going to do these exercises willingly and
I
cooperative?
can do it willingly and cooperatively, whatever the fuck you want. I don't speak right because I have a disability. You ass fuck.
I didn't say you didn't speak right. I don't make fun of anyone's disability.
Listen,
What's your disability?
I have a learning disability.
Okay.
I don't speak right.
All right, that's fine.
Okay? Get your hands off of me.
Listen, I'm going to have my hands on you right now because you're in handcuffs, okay?
I don't have any handcuffs, you stupid ass prick. Do you not understand that? I'm in handcuffs.
I understand that.
Get
Yeah.
the off of me.
I'm giving you the opportunity to do these exercises right now to prove that
Go ahead.
you are in good condition.
ahead.
If you're going to keep fine with us, you're
Okay.
just going to go to the jail and we're going to skip that
Then
step.
put my ass in jail.
Do you want to do these exercises?
Yes, I
Okay.
do.
So when we take these handcuffs off, you're going to comply with us and you're not going to cause any problems.
I am. God damn it.
All right, let's walk over here towards the back of your vehicle so
Thank
that
you.
we're on flat ground and we don't have to go over the curb. Right here. Okay? And we're going to take them off.
Thank you.
You stand right here next to me. Over here. Over here. Right here. Okay? There we go.
Do you
You
normally
good?
wear glasses?
No.
Do you have contacts in?
No.
Do you have any problems with your eyes
No.
normally? Okay. All right, so I'm going to check your eyes. Can you put your feet together and put your hands at your side? I want you to maintain this position until the exercise is over, all right?
Fine.
Keep your head still, and I want you to follow a stimulus. The stimulus is going to be the tip of my pen here. Do you see that?
Yep.
Okay, you can clearly see the tip of my pen, right?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to have you follow this stimulus. I want you to maintain the position you're in while you do so. I want you to follow it with only your eyes, not your head. You know what I mean by that?
Yep.
Okay, so don't move your head. Just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes.
Fine.
All right. All right, the exercise is going to begin. Remember, just to
Yep.
look with your eyes.
I got it.
You got to keep your eyes open for me.
You think I'm drunk and I'm not. I'm just going through a fucking hard time.
Keep your head still, please.
Okay. We can do this for hours.
All right.
Cause I ain't fucking drunk.
During the investigation, police requested Rodriguez to perform a field sobriety test, SFST. However, she was shaking her head and showed clear signs of nystagmus, involuntary eye movements. Furthermore, Rodriguez's abusive behavior and threats to spit at the police officers demonstrate a serious loss of behavioral control. If this mother had caused an accident on her way home from driving her child, instead of collapsing behind the wheel, how terrible would the consequences have been? I find the police's patience during those 6 minutes remarkable in the face of such egregious insults. I am outraged to see her use the excuse of being in trouble to justify drunk driving in a school area. This is crucial factual evidence demonstrating that allowing her to continue operating a vehicle would pose an immeasurable threat to public order.
All right, so we're going to move on to the next exercise.
Go ahead.
You see this white line in front of you right here?
Yep.
Pretty clearly?
Yep.
All right. I want you to place your left foot on the line. I want you to place your right foot.
Left?
Yep, left.
And I can't, I'm not a f***ing, listen, I don't have stability.
Okay. Well,
It doesn't,
place your left foot on the line for me.
okay,
I want you to place your right foot on the line in front of the left,
okay.
touching the heel to the toe.
That doesn't matter.
What doesn't matter?
The fact that I'm not stable.
I didn't
don't
say you
walk
weren't stable.
straight. My foot, don't you see that it's bruised?
Okay. Are you able to complete this exercise?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
Because my foot is bruised and
Okay.
it hurts.
Well, like I said, we're giving you the opportunity to do the exercises, so it's up to you on whether or not you want to do
the
it.
next exercise, because this.
Well, we can't just
listen,
skip it.
My foot is fucking fucked up and bruised. I can do
Enfor.
what I can.
Okay, so you're saying you can't do this exercise?
Okay, fine. What do
No,
you want me to do?
It's a question. Can you do this exercise or not?
Yes, I can.
Okay, well,
What do you want me to do? Step on
You
the line?
you haven't let me
with
get through
a
the
fucking
instructions.
bruised foot?
Hey, come back over here, stand still, and when he's done with the instructions, then you can determine
Okay.
if you can do it. Let him speak. Remember how we talked
Okay.
about this earlier?
Okay.
Let him speak.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
all right, so
ahead,
I'm going to read you the
Okay.
instructions. Miss Rodriguez.
God damn it.
Miss Rodriguez, me.
Shut up.
Do you want to do this exercise or not?
It doesn't work because my foot is fucked up.
Okay, so you're saying you can't do this exercise.
God damn it. Whatever. Go ahead.
All right, I'm going to read you the instructions. Listen
Fucking do
carefully.
it.
Place your left foot on the
God
line.
damn it.
Place your left foot on the line. Place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot. With the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot, put your arms down at your side.
God
Okay?
damn it.
So it's going to look like this.
Yeah,
You
but
can
my
look down at
foot's
me for
up.
reference.
I don't need to look at your ass.
I'm not asking for that. For reference,
Shut the up.
are you going to listen to the
No, I'm
instructions?
not.
You're not going to listen to
No.
my instructions.
What do you want me to goddamn do?
I'm trying to tell you what to do, but you're not listening to my instructions.
Because it doesn't work, God damn it! I already showed you that I could focus.
What's our next exercise? Let's do the next one. Moving on to the next one. If that one doesn't work, we'll move on to the next one. Miss Rodriguez, we'll see if you can stand on this one. How about this one?
There's a kid right there. If you want to divert them.
Yes, he does.
All right. Okay.
All right, let's do the next exercise.
We're gonna skip to the
No,
next
I want to do this exercise.
We'll go back to it.
No, I'm not
Hey.
going to go back to it. Do it.
We'll go back to it. We're
Listen,
moving on.
my kid is looking at me, and
It's
I
not your
need
kid. It's not
to
your kid.
fucking focus. Shut the f
Listen
up.
to Deputy Osborne. He's going to read the
I'm
instructions.
going to read the
What
instructions
do you
for the
want?
next exercise. All right, listen. Please stand with your feet together with your arms by your side, just like this, okay? If you need to, you can look at me for the reference.
What? What do you want?
Do you
doing
want
this
to do these
exercise,
exercises or not?
No, I'm not.
All right.
Yes, I am. Okay,
No.
fine. Yes, I
We're
am.
done.
Yes, I
I'm gonna
am.
get the leap off
Yes,
your
I
shirt.
am. Yes, I am.
Let's go, Beth.
Let's go.
I know.
Take a
Put
seat.
one foot up. And the other foot. Watch your head. You all
You're gonna
right?
do this to me again?
I didn't do this to you the
Just
first
let me
time.
let me do the test again. I
No,
swear to
you have
God.
to put your foot in.
Listen, I didn't want to listen, but I will listen now.
We don't. You've already tried it once. With me.
Listen.
And Deputy Osborne was here.
Listen. Who has me on shit? Go ahead.
Ultimately, Rodriguez was taken to the Marion County Sheriff's Office. Based on clinical signs and Rodriguez's failure to complete an on-site test, he was charged with driving under the influence of a substance .ui with a minor under 18 inches, the vehicle, and resisting police. Under Florida law, DUI with a minor in the vehicle can result in up to 9 months in jail, a $2,000 fine, and a minimum 180-day driver's license suspension for a first offense. Additionally, refusing a breathalyzer test at the police station can result in a 1-year automatic driver's license suspension. All actions in the video are considered innocent until a court ruling. What are your thoughts on this case? Leave your comments below.